Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of adrenal fatigue healing. If you've been constantly tired, overwhelmed, or struggling with stress, adrenal fatigue might be the missing piece in your health journey. Adrenal fatigue occurs when the adrenal glands, which produce hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, become overworked and unable to keep up with the demands of chronic stress. This can lead to a cascade of symptoms, including fatigue, brain fog, weight gain, and even hormonal imbalances. Identifying the supplements to avoid for adrenal fatigue recovery is crucial in supporting your body's natural healing process. Some supplements, like stimulants or high doses of caffeine, can further strain your already exhausted adrenal glands, making it harder for you to bounce back to optimal health. Our upcoming video will explore the importance of choosing the right supplements to support adrenal fatigue recovery. From adaptogens like ashwagandha to vitamin B complex and magnesium, we'll uncover the key players in restoring your adrenal health and boosting your energy levels naturally. Get ready to embark on a journey towards holistic healing and discover practical tips and remedies to reclaim your vitality. Stay tuned for our next video as we unravel the mysteries of adrenal fatigue and empower you to take charge of your well-being. Remember, your health is your most incredible wealth. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. We're delving deep into the intricate world of adrenal fatigue. Have you been experiencing unexplained fatigue, mood swings, or a constant feeling of being wired but tired? These could be signs that your adrenal glands are crying out for help. Chronic fatigue and adrenal fatigue often go hand in hand, with the latter being a more specific condition related to the dysfunction of the adrenal glands. When your body is under prolonged stress, whether physical, emotional, or environmental, your adrenal glands release cortisol, the stress hormone, to help you cope. However, when this stress response is constantly activated, it can lead to adrenal fatigue, where your adrenal glands struggle to keep up with the demand for cortisol production. Cortisol regulates your body's stress response, metabolism, immune function, and overall well-being. Adrenal fatigue can cause cortisol levels to become dysregulated, leading to a host of symptoms such as fatigue, insomnia, weight gain, and even mood disorders. Proper diagnosis and treatment of adrenal fatigue are essential for restoring balance to your body and mind. Seeking guidance from a healthcare professional who understands the complexities of adrenal health is crucial in developing a personalized treatment plan that addresses the root cause of your symptoms. Our upcoming videos will explore practical strategies for diagnosing and treating adrenal fatigue, from lifestyle modifications to targeted supplementation and stress management techniques. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of adrenal fatigue and empower you to reclaim your vitality and well-being. We're shedding light on the supplements that could hinder your recovery from adrenal fatigue. While supplements can support your health, some may exacerbate your adrenal fatigue symptoms and impede your healing process. Common supplements to avoid when dealing with adrenal fatigue include high doses of stimulants like caffeine, ephedra, and guarana, as well as energy-boosting supplements containing excessive amounts of B vitamins. These supplements can further strain your already fatigued adrenal glands, leading to increased cortisol levels, disrupted sleep patterns, and heightened anxiety. The reason these supplements are detrimental to adrenal health lies in their ability to overstimulate your already exhausted stress response system. Instead of providing sustainable energy and support, they can push your body into a state of heightened stress, exacerbating your symptoms and delaying your recovery. But fear not, there are alternative options and strategies for managing adrenal fatigue without relying on these potentially harmful supplements. Opting for adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and holy basil can help modulate your stress response and support adrenal function without causing further harm. Additionally, incorporating nutrient-dense foods, practicing stress-reducing activities like yoga and meditation, and ensuring adequate rest are essential components of a holistic approach to adrenal fatigue healing. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore safe and effective supplement options, lifestyle modifications, and stress management techniques to help you navigate the complexities of adrenal fatigue and reclaim your vitality. Stay tuned as we empower you to make informed choices for your well-being and support you on your healing journey. Remember, your health is your most incredible wealth. We're unveiling 3 powerhouse supplements that are a must-have for anyone looking to kickstart their adrenal fatigue recovery journey. These supplements are like a breath of fresh air for your tired adrenal glands, providing the support they need to bounce back and thrive. First, we have vitamin B complex, a vital group of nutrients crucial in energy production, stress management, and adrenal function. B vitamins like B5, pantothenic acid, and B6, pyridoxine, support adrenal health and hormone balance. Replenishing your body's B vitamin stores can enhance your energy levels, improve mood stability, and boost your overall well-being. Next on our list is magnesium, a mineral powerhouse often depleted in individuals experiencing adrenal fatigue. Magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle relaxation, stress reduction, and energy production. By supplementing with magnesium, you can support your adrenal glands, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality, which is crucial for adrenal fatigue recovery. Last but not least, we have adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, a potent botanical ally known for its stress-relieving and adrenal-supporting properties. Ashwagandha helps your body adapt to stress, modulates cortisol levels, and enhances resilience to fatigue and burnout. Incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine can help restore balance to your adrenal glands and promote a sense of calm and vitality. We recommend consulting with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosages and usage guidelines for these supplements based on your needs for optimal results. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos as we delve deeper into the benefits of these essential supplements and empower you to take charge of your adrenal health. Remember, your well-being is worth investing in. We're diving into a treasure trove of natural remedies and lifestyle changes to help you combat adrenal fatigue and reclaim your vitality. Incorporating these holistic approaches into your daily routine can support your adrenal health, reduce stress levels, and enhance your overall well-being. Let's start with dietary recommendations for adrenal fatigue. A nutrient-dense whole food diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to support adrenal function and energy production. Avoiding processed foods, sugar, caffeine, and alcohol can help reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar levels, and alleviate adrenal fatigue symptoms. Stress management techniques are also vital in addressing adrenal fatigue. Practices like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and Tai Chi can help calm your nervous system, reduce cortisol levels, and promote relaxation. Prioritizing self-care activities that bring you joy and peace can go a long way in supporting your adrenal health and mental well-being. Adequate rest is non-negotiable when it comes to adrenal fatigue recovery. Ensuring you get quality sleep, practicing good sleep hygiene, and allowing yourself time for relaxation and rejuvenation are essential for restoring balance to your adrenal glands and replenishing your energy reserves. Incorporating holistic approaches like acupuncture, massage therapy, herbal medicine, and energy healing can further support your overall adrenal health and well-being. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos as we delve deeper into these natural remedies and lifestyle changes to empower you to recover from adrenal fatigue. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Today we spotlight the essential vitamins and minerals crucial in supporting adrenal health and combating fatigue. Adequately ingesting these nutrients can nourish your adrenal glands, boost energy production, and enhance your overall well-being. First, let's talk about vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant essential for adrenal function and stress response. Vitamin C is vital in producing adrenal hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, supporting immune function and combating oxidative stress. You can find vitamin C in citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and leafy greens, or consider supplementing with a high-quality vitamin C product to ensure optimal levels. Next, vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, is a vital nutrient for adrenal health and energy metabolism. B5 is involved in synthesizing coenzyme A, a key player in producing adrenal hormones and cellular energy. Food sources rich in vitamin B5 include organ meats, eggs, whole grains, and legumes. Supplementing with a B-complex vitamin can also provide a comprehensive blend of B vitamins to support adrenal function. Magnesium is another essential mineral for adrenal fatigue support. It plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including energy production, muscle relaxation, and stress management. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains into your diet can help replenish your magnesium stores and support adrenal health. When considering supplementation, it's essential to be mindful of potential interactions or contraindications with specific vitamins for adrenal health. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a qualified nutritionist can help you determine the appropriate dosages and sources of these vitamins to support your individual needs and optimize your adrenal fatigue recovery journey. By steering clear of stimulants, excessive caffeine, and energy-boosting supplements, you can protect your adrenal glands and pave the way for proper recovery. These natural solutions can help nourish your body, balance your stress response, and enhance your overall well-being. Now is the time to take proactive steps towards managing adrenal fatigue and improving your quality of life. By prioritizing self-care, adopting healthy lifestyle habits, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals, you can create a holistic approach to adrenal health that supports your body, mind, and spirit. Please engage with us in the comments below and share your experiences, questions, and insights on adrenal fatigue and natural remedies. We can create a supportive community dedicated to empowering each other toward vibrant health and well-being. Remember, you can transform your health and live a life filled with energy, vitality, and joy. Here's to your journey towards optimal adrenal health and a brighter tomorrow.